Hi, good day everyone. I am Maria Feliciano Pagarigan. I am 26 years old. I'm turning 27 this coming April 17. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in preschool education here at Tarlac Agricultural University. And also I had 3 years after I graduated, I had working teaching experience here in a private school for 3 years. I teach Filipino students ages 3 years old to 6 years old, Kinder 1 and Kinder 2. And also, I had working experience as an ESL teacher, English teacher, in a global school here in the Philippines. I experienced teaching different nationalities like Korean, Malaysian, Vietnamese, and Chinese. I teach them grammar. I teach them lesson using English language so they can adopt, they can learn how to speak in English. And also, I experienced teaching in Singapore as an infant teacher for 6 months and another 6 months for K2 students. I teach them English lesson in English language in different developmental domains. I experienced handling parent-teacher conference, and also I make sure that students will learn not only um, they will learn learnings from academic, but I teach them learn um, holistically. I want them to learn holistically, not only academic, because I know that learning is very interesting. It's very fun. If we have a learning environment, creative resources, if you're creative resources, I am very creative teacher. I make sure that my students will learn from me. And I have a long patience. I really love to teach children, and during my vacant time, I do tutorial because I want my students, I make sure that my students will learn the lesson, and I will educate my students not only academic, but I want to educate them a good behavior because I know nowadays is technology. Students very alarming because they are very addicted to the use of technology. I want them to enjoy learning not by using technology. I want to make sure that my students will learn. I make sure that my students will learn and have fun in learning. And um, that's all. That's all, everyone. So I hope you like it. I hope you will get me as their teacher. And I make sure that I will do my job, not only my job as a profession, as a teacher, I will do my duty, my responsibility. I will make sure that my students' safetyness. That's very important. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.